about how can you fix this problem on your funny prank sounds app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down here, just keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. In there you're looking for funny prank sounds app, or just click here on search, then here add funny prank sounds, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on first stop, then you click on OK, then you go down here, just click on storage, then come to storage list, you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.